Hey there, people. My name is Jack, and I'm starting my first YouTube channel, and it's gonna be for my first boat restoration. My first boat officially. It's a 1987 Sea Ray at 25 feet. I got my buddy over there cleaning it. Bought it like maybe three months ago, 2 months and a half. And I have taken it out on the water quite a few times. Got to fix quite a few things. Right now, like maybe the second or third trip, my buddy doesn't know how to drive boats, and he hit the dock and messed it up. The platform is messed up. That's a small crack in the transom too, right here. Actually having a guy come fix it today, but let's see what happens because it's cloudy, ain't rain, and while I wait for the guy to come here, I'm gonna start polishing the boat. See here, it's all dirty like that, but a little bit of oxidation on the paint, and I started off right there a little bit. You can see a little bit of the difference. A nice trailer too. It's a aluminum trailer from I think 1996. It's a pretty good deal. Has a 5.7 Mercruiser. Can't really complain.